Hi guys, this was my VC10. See the emphasis on the word was. Decided to get her out this year and take her for a fly. And, start with the flight went fairly well, no problems at all. A little bit twitchy, but I don't fly this very often, so it takes a little bit getting used to. And everything was going okay, and I flew her for a little bit too long, really, and basically what happened is the batteries died on me, and I didn't have and I tried to bring her in upwind, and as I turned, she crashed in. So unfortunately she is no more. I built this VC10 I think back in my maiden flight was in 2011, but I started it quite some time before, and it took me quite a while to get her ready for flight. I had to do everything from scratch, and I'll put a playlist up of all the other videos. And but the problem with her, she's got 4 small 55mm EDFs, and when I built her, EDFs weren't the cheapest things around then, so, and to get to the scale of the model that I needed, I had to put these small EDFs in, so they were powered by 3S LiPos as well, which is I couldn't get 4S in there just wasn't enough room in there. But she does fly quite well, but not for very long, and I think the problem was this time I extended the flight time just a little bit too long, and if I'd have landed a downwind, as you'll see in a moment, she may have survived. So just to let you watch the rest of the flight, and then I'll put some comments in. Sorry for the timestamp on the video. I've just purchased one of these new budget action cams. Now, I have a GoPro session, but I was just trying this out at this time, and I'd forgotten to take the timestamp off, so it won't be on future videos. So just about from here, the batteries are starting to die. You can hear it very. No, she's really gone now. And this is where I made the mistake. What I should have done was just landed a downwind along here, even in that field. But I tried to bring her into wind, and as you can see, it didn't go very well.
Oh, you could hear it go then, the motors, couldn't you? Yeah.
So here we go on the walk of shame. If there'd been some crops in here, it might have survived a little bit better, but and when I first got to it, it doesn't look too bad actually, where she snapped off. And initially when I first looked at it, I thought I would repair her, but then on second thoughts, once I got her home, I did find more damage. It actually, the front section of the fuselage, I think that hit him first, and what happened is the foam had compressed, so it was actually a bit like a banana, but not quite as extreme. So I decided very sadly to scrap her, and you know, she's no longer with us. If I was to build another VC10, I think what I'd need to do is build a lot bigger scale, so I could get some bigger fans in and some bigger 4S motors in there. 4S batteries, but I don't have the space to store such a big model, and I've enjoyed flying over the years. I've enjoyed building it, so it's goodbye VC10 and on to pastures new.